In August 2021, I left my corporate job. I worked in this company with more than 300,000 employees as a business analyst and team leader for 8 years, and I earned around $160,000 per year. If you want to learn more about my career in corporate, feel free to check out my LinkedIn profile after watching this video. However, it's important to learn that during this time, I felt all the pain I know many other business professionals are feeling too. Sitting in endless meetings, talking about the same things hundreds of times, leading nowhere. Thousands of emails in my inbox, juggling dozens of projects at once due to lack of prioritization and not finding information, aka my notes, at the moment I need them. However, I came up with solutions to this problem. I defined work conventions, developed work streams, and even built a ticketing system on SharePoint basis for my team. This allowed us to get project data in a defined manner and therefore made our work performance visible in numbers for the first time. The result was an increase in team performance by 60% with the same headcount after working in this new setup for 1 year. I know. In business, I saw them too. KPIs like watermelons, on the outside green, in the inside red. But those numbers weren't fake. They actually were confirmed during a Class A certification program by Oliver White. A business excellence program many of the big companies have done to improve their overall manufacturing performance. And I accomplished this after working in this company for just 2 years. I always tried to provide solutions instead of just complaining to and blaming the management. In fact, by showing that I can increase performance in such significant manner, other teams became interested in how this was accomplished and started copying our standards. I was offered a new position in manufacturing IT as a team leader and business analyst. The goal was to improve the team's and eventually the whole department's performance. I achieved this for my own team and the department after 1 year. But in addition, I was even able to increase global cross-department work too. Instead of using a handmade system, I used Asana this time and rolled it out for more than 1,000 people in this company. Now you could ask, Tom, so I should use Asana to achieve this in my own team or company? No, it is not the tool. It is the following business conventions that led to such success. First, visualize and then optimize your work streams. Second, define cross-department priorities. Third, identify responsibilities, functions, not people. Fourth, establish a single source of truth. In 2018, I launched the Paperless movement as a side hustle to help more people outside my company to improve their performance, aka productivity. Since then, I worked one-on-one with hundreds of clients worldwide who had the same trouble in their business, either as an employee or as a business owner. Overwhelmed, scattered information, lack of focus, unclear communication, you name it. In 2019, I launched the Paperless Movement membership, and in 2020, I developed Icor. Icor stands for Input, Control, Output, Refine, and defines a productivity system end to end. Working 8 years as a business analyst in big industries and spending 4+ years with business clients one-on-one means I'm astutely aware that building a professional end-to-end productivity system takes on average 40 hours personal solutions and 60+ hours for corporate solutions of hands-on consulting work. And depending on the complexity of the solution needed, the state it was in before I was consulted, and the level of training required, this could take months or years to implement, costing between $20,000 to $100,000. However, with the Paperless movement, I set a mission to help as many people and businesses as possible to achieve the same results with a fraction of the costs. So after I quit my job in 2021, I worked hard together with Team Solid to develop the Icor Mastery program. And I'm so proud that in January 2022, we officially launched Icor Mastery with more than 200 members who now have access to all the tools and solutions that I use to build highly effective, 100% personalized and easy to use digital solutions as described above. And they get direct access to me. The difference to some of the productivity gurus here on YouTube is that I actually walk the walk in big corporate. And I found a solution that helped me to stay sane and even helped me climbing the ladder as a business professional. But after I left my job, I'm a coach and student at the same time in my own membership. I run my own business now, and I share all my revelations with my Icor members on how I run, grow and automate the paperless movement business too. We are in this together, and don't be fooled by people selling you one-for-all solutions, because people are different and so must be their productivity setups. My members are the reason why I left my $160,000 job. I wanted to fully commit myself to our mission to help every struggling paperless pioneer in the world to become a highly effective digital pro. And the membership allows me to do exactly that and stay unbiased. I'm glad to say that I'm able to grow my audience as a productivity thought leader rather than an influencer. The paperless movement is and will always be #not sponsored. If you are struggling with finding your information, then you should watch this video or have a look at paperlessmovement.com, where you will find loads of free resources, such as the free podcast, the comprehensive tool post, and my free Icor guide. But if you're serious about leveling up your digital productivity system, then join the Paperless Movement membership and the Icor Mastery. We are a like-minded community, and we will help you to achieve your goals in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up next time or later in the community.